Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw earnings from VideoHive Envato Market. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To withdraw earnings from VideoHive Envato Market, start by signing in to your Envato account. Once logged in, navigate to your profile icon located at the top right corner of the page. Click on Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, find and select the Payouts tab. Here, you will see your current earnings and payout methods. If you haven't set up a payout method yet, click on the Add Payout Method button. You will then choose your preferred payout method from the available options. Common options include PayPal and bank transfer. After selecting a payout method, enter the required details. Make sure all information is accurate to avoid any delays. Once you've filled in the details, click Save Changes. Return to the Payouts tab to see a summary of your earnings. To withdraw your funds, click on the Withdraw button. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw from your available earnings. Confirm the payout by clicking on the Confirm button. You will receive a notification once your withdrawal has been processed. Keep in mind that withdrawal times may vary depending on the payment method chosen. Review your payout history in the same tab to track your transactions. Once completed, you're all set to receive your funds. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.